Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to adjust color of our screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we are going to our settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and in accessibility options we have visibility enhancements. And here we have color adjustment. And at the bottom we have a few options. So if we have trouble seeing some colors, we can enable color adjustment. We can also change intensity of this adjustment, and we have, as you can see, grayscale and some other options. We can change what we need here. Or we can also have our personalized color, and here don't forget to save these options. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.